Start. The chairman cannot even call for a fire concerning the particular department of which he is the chairman, whether it is the water and sewage board or the transport authority or the medical committee or the health committee or the education committee. None of these elected chairmen who are there have the power or the authority to call for a file and examine the papers. A conversation was going on among the members concerning this problem as to how to handle the affairs of their departments if they could not look at a file or examine it. One suggestion made was that the mayor might call for the file and the chairman might go to his office and look at the file, and then the mayor might return the file. I think it is a very ridiculous situation where you have all the people sitting in that corporation hall with no powers at all. When the bill was passed and the corporation was established, I am very sorry to say it was a very nice toy given to the people of Delhi with which they might strike their heads, over which they might quarrel and fight and deteriorate the whole business. It is because they have nothing to do, they have no powers. Then, as our experience goes to show, the machinery of the government is generally not so cooperative. The government are not at all interested in seeing that the corporation's function should be successful or efficient, or that the corporation should succeed. By and large, and very unfortunately, they rarely want that this whole show should be going well. They just as well want to enjoy the failures of the corporation and laugh over them and even propagate the failures everywhere in public and in private, here and there. It is very discouraging, very bad for the morale of the administration and the public at large. Unfortunately, it is like that. It is a fact to reckon with. It is a situation to be faced. Resolutions have been passed by the corporation for so many years, for 3 years, 4 years, and so on. But I think half of the resolutions have not been implemented. Provision has been made in the budgets for various things, but the money has not been used. The machinery of the corporation is not bothered about it, or is not serious enough or concerned about implementing the resolutions passed by the government. The resolutions passed by the corporation have certainly to be taken very seriously and implemented faithfully. There is no faithful implementation. The elected members can do nothing about this matter.